Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn the topic, fourth chapter, processes of social change. But the last 5 lectures we are discussed third chapter, diversity and unity in Indian society. And this chapter is one of the important chapter in sociology. And last lectures I am recall the revision of chapter number 1 and 2, first chapter and second chapter. First chapter is introduction to Indian society, and second chapter is segment of Indian society, tribal, rural, urban. And now the fourth chapter, processes of social change in India. And this chapter little bit the change and some part is reducing here. For example, industrialization and urbanization. But the as a part of our textbooks we are recall all these contents which one is given in the textbooks. In the previous year we are learn about the concept of social change. And what do you mean by social change? Social change means change in the social structure according to the Harry Johnson's definition. And Harry Johnson was explain the concept of social change. It characterized or it characteristics and factors that bring about change. You will recall the impact of demographic, natural, educational, economic, socio-cultural factors are responsible for social change. And these are to borne in the mind when we discuss the processes of social change that have influenced Indian society and continue to do so even today. And the processes of social change and the main content is first one industrialization, next urbanization, modernization, globalization, digitalization, and the impact of processes of social change. Whereby, see, this is the diagrams and images. For example, industrial growth and development in the cities, or urban and urbanization. And urbanization is related to the industrialization because industrialization leads to the urbanization. For example, all the globe now rapidly changing due to the impact of industrialization. And the industrialization is one of the major aspect to the social change. When we speak of industrialization as a process of social change, the industrial revolution of the 17th and 18th century in Europe comes to mind. It was a process whereby there was a change in the production process as a result of the use of heavy machinery, and which led to the decline of guilds on one hand and the growth and expansion of factories on the other hand. This process spread from Europe to the other regions of the world, means the process of industrialization rapidly changing in all over the world community. And industrialization is the process whereby related to the production systems, rapid production systems. means the barter system is gone, and the industrialization means whereby machine made productions rapidly use in our world community. Means industrialization, industries were set up in the metropolitan and big cities. Then urbanization developed rapid process. Then communication technology, it is called as ICT, information and communication technology, were developed, and globe means total globally we are connected with each other through the internet, mobile mobile phones, yeah, other and the other technology were related to the human beings. Now the processes of social change in India, and these processes is industrialization, urbanization, modernization, globalization, digitalization, and impact of processes of social change. And the first one is, the first process of social change is industrialization. But what is industrialization? Some definition is given here. Definition of industrialization is, according to B. Kuppuswamy, industrialization means the use of unbiotic power such as electricity and steam for the mass production of goods and easy transportation and communication. What do you mean by unbiotic? Means the biological work, just like human being is not work there. The power used in electricity or steams for the production of goods and services. That's why the industrialization is the process whereby unbiotic power is used and mass production was started in the industry. Means man was not work actually, the machine was work, and machine with the machines rapid productions used in the mechanization. That's why it's called as mechanization of production systems. Then second definition of industrialization is, industrialization is the process of technological development by the use of applied sciences characterized by the expansion of large scale production with the use of power machinery for a wide market for both. According to the Fairchild, industrialization is the process of technological development. Means within this, the technological development within a rapid phase in industrialization, as well as applied sciences was used there, and expansion of the large scale productions. According to B. Kuppuswamy and Fairchild, expansion of the large scale productions and their mass productions within a goods and services with the use of power machinery, and the transportation and communication is also there for a wide market for both. Means all the work is related to the industry is related to the market based industries. Next one is, industrialization is the process of social and economic change whereby a human society is transformed from a state pre-industrial to an industrial. Pre-industrial and industrial. This is the development of human beings whereby the people was already pre-industrial within the first phase, and then second phase and third phase. That's why maybe primary industrialization and secondary industrialization. Means the definition of industrialization is very simple, and according to these, all these definitions is very clear. Mechanization of the production systems, as well as machinery use, rapid productions with related to the transportations and communication, as well as power using unbiotic power using for the market based industries, and etc. all other things which one is related to the industries. Now the next one is characteristics of industrialization. Growth of industries. This is the first characteristics of industrialization. This is the significant characteristics of industrialization. A spurt in the growth of factories and industries is apparent. You will recall learning in standard 11 sociology. We are already learned last year industrialization, but feudal systems and related to this. About industrial revolution in England, the feudal system as well as the guild system is related to this. There is a necessarily a shift from handmade products which were produced within the environs of the one's home or a shop to the machine made products manufactured in the factories. Means this is the significant characteristics of industrialization, whereby factories and industries are already apparent, established, and necessarily shift to the man-made production with related to the machine-made productions, manufacturing and machine-made productions. For example, see, the machines was working, human being was already work related to the only switch off and on buttons only, but the machine was work there. This is the first characteristics of industrialization. Next one is mechanization. Mechanization means the machinery where rapid machinery were used in the industrial factories level. The development of industries led to the mechanization of workplace. The development of industries led to the mechanization of the workplaces. Mechanization also implied the use of precision techniques and accuracy in productions. Mechanization is also, the barter system is very simple. Man made all production is there. One man makes for the others and other was used for the services. Same, but here the production within a large scale due to the impact of mechanization system. This in turn led to a mass production due to which machine made goods were much cheaper than the handmade productions. We are already, for example, make a shoes maker making within a one shoes of couple of shoes, but the time limit as well as money and their man made all other thing is related, but the machine made goods is very cheaper and very easily available because of the mass productions. Workers began to replace by the machines. Means there is workers is number of workers was unemployed due to the work replaced by the machines. Also, mechanization led to workers feeling alienations from the process of productions. The alienations according to the Karl Marx theory, people was already not work generally related to the production system, because the man is not a machine where work as per given instructions, but the man is maybe the fatigues, mental disturbance, a number of issues related to the human beings. Okay, now the C machine was making the juice, shops and all other things. One production is related to the machines within a large scale. Means rapid, simple. When we make a juice in shop, juice is already available in the large scale productions for all these machines and shops. Now the next one is capital intensive. In industries today, there is intense mechanization and automations. Due to advances in science and technology, industrial processes are largely automatically worked by the machines. The extent of automations would naturally depend on financial resources available. Capital intensive, because the agriculture productions, capital intensive versus labor intensive, but the workforce means labor is not is very expensive actually, and the machine when we need simply you have to, but the production within a large scale. When machine was using there, here for example car making industries using the robot for the production, because the work was used, the rapid productions is there and within a large scale with limited times. Next one is labor intensive, capital intensive as well as next one is labor intensive. Early industries require skilled and unskilled human workforce to complete various tasks of at all these levels, because the skill and unskilled labor, but only skilled labor will be given very importance to the industries. The need for skilled workforce demanded skill specific training of apprentices at the workplace. Apprentices means the honor before when we given the training, and the trained people will allow to work for in the industries. Later, special institutes came to be established to impart technical education and also for professional education. This, the now the specialization, specific people will work. Those who are already professionals, get technicals, is related to the industries. They have given opportunity. For example, institutes for management training, colleges and universities offering courses in engineering, pure science, organizational and industrial psychology, etc. That type of specialization is done here due to the impact of industrialization. And this is the characteristics of industrialization, whereby all the human beings differ due to the professionalisms as well as their technicalities. Next one is division of labor. See the picture is here, A, B, C, D up to H. One is grass cutting, another one is animal husbandry, and all other occupation is related to here. Means the labor, division of labor in the society. With changes in the production processes brought in because of industrialization, various tasks came to be assigned on the basis of specific skills, level of training, specialization and expertise. Means the human being was diverted with these different skills, different trainings and different experts with the specialization of the work. This led to differential wage payment, and it further the formation of economic classes and the subsequent growth of the trade union movement is related to the division of labor. When all the workers or laborers were started, particular one union, trade union with related to their movements. Next one is urbanization. But this is very important topic is related to this, and the first one is industrialization. Industrialization is one of the important aspect of the growth and change in the individual's life as well as social life of the people, and all the characteristics. For example, first is growth of industries, next one is mechanization of production system, capital intensive, labor intensive, division of labor, and all other, just like for example is the information and communication technology, machinery were used, all other aspect is related to this.